Alright, I know I've fallen behind on engine videos for my channel. I've been busy with sewing machines and summer, and it's been hot and humid out. I also have some plans for the ET8, and I haven't been able to make myself get started on that project in the way I want to. So the hopper and making the ET8 run really well was the first part of the project, and now I need to get interested and motivated to do the rest of the project. So the M96 hasn't run in a while, and we'll see if it wants to hand start. There we go. It's haven't adjusted this carb in a long time, so I guess this is an exercise in me remembering the carb settings for this engine. It's also a very humid day, and these engines are never thrilled with a humid day. So Alright, she's running a bit rough and lumpy, but we'll see if she'll stay going on this humid day.